Welcome to this video on how to efficiently fix your Claude code. We will explore methods to transform the AI from an unpredictable assistant into a highly effective engineering partner. The core problem is context exhaustion. Treating the agent like a stateless chatbot leads to hallucinations and dropped instructions. When context usage passes 60 to 70%, the LLM enters the agent dumb zone, where basic coding errors occur. To mitigate this, we use a tiered memory system. Tier 1 is hot memory, which is the Claude constitution, containing strict rules. Tier 2 is warm memory, from domain specialists, invoked per task. Tier 3 is cold memory, for on-demand specification documents. Rule override priority is crucial. Global rules in /tilde/.claude/claude.md set personal preferences. These are overridden by project root rules, followed by local overrides, and finally, scoped rules applied dynamically via YAML front matter. The /claude/init command scans your codebase and generates a /claude.md baseline detailing the what, why, and how of your project. This includes the tech stack, architectural decisions, and non-obvious build commands. Adhere to the 60-line rule, keeping the file strictly under 150 lines to prevent dropped instructions. Include non-obvious commands and framework versions, but exclude items like detailed API docs or passwords. Use the hash key during a session for live updates, saving instructions directly to your /claude.md file. Also, maintain a current focus block in your Markdown file for a session-specific briefing. Implement the reverse interview by instructing the agent to use the *ask user question tool before writing code. Use fresh sessions for execution and describe desired behavior as a test for test-first execution. For multi-file changes, press Shift+Tab twice to activate plan mode. This separates research from execution, preventing the agent from generating large amounts of code in the wrong direction. When debugging, use zero micromanagement. Paste the verbatim error message and type fix. Avoid speculation and instead demand a rewrite if the solution is messy. To reverse hallucination drift, never try to correct it within the same context window. Use ESC or /rewind for checkpoint rollback, restoring the conversation to the previous clean state. Execute the /compact command manually at 50% context usage to preserve intelligence. Also, use the /clear command when switching tasks to wipe the context window and start a fresh session. Practice progressive skills disclosure by structuring skills as full directories. This ensures the agent only reads subdirectories when explicitly invoked. Document failure modes in a gotcha section for preventative context. For complex architecture, use parallel delegation with subagents. Include the phrase use subagents in your prompt. This protects your main context from bloat, as subagents run in separate, clean context windows. This context-engineered workflow transforms the AI into a senior engineering partner. The process flows from prompt to plan mode, implementation against tests, and finally, either rollback or clearing the context for the next task.